Pete the Cat and the Family Tree by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat makes a family tree with Mom and Dad. Pete adds Mom, Dad, and Bob on the tree. Who's next? Pete asks. Mom's mom is Pete's grandma. Grandma drives a ship. Pete pretends he's on a ship. Mom's dad is Pete's Gramps. Gramps plays ball for the cats. I like to play ball, says Pete, and Pete pretends to swing a bat. Dad's mom is Pete's Gram. Gram likes to read. Yay, Pete says. Pete likes to read like Gram. Dad's dad is Pete's Pop Pop. Pop Pop likes to bake. He makes cupcakes. I like cupcakes, says Pete. Pop Pop's dad kept a king safe in the past, says Dad. Wow. And his mom sang and did tricks, says Mom. Time to add Uncle Pete, Mom says. Who is Uncle Pete? Pete asks. Uncle Pete played music in a band, says Dad. I like to play music, says Pete. Pete's uncle liked to paint, says Mom. I like to paint, says Pete. Uncle Pete liked to ride the waves, says Dad. He clinched a prize, says Mom. Wow. Pete pretends he's riding a wave on a surfboard. Pete is the best name for me, says Pete. Yes, it is, says Mom and Dad. Pete likes his family tree so much. That's a great family tree. Have you ever done one? That would be a fun thing to do. Okay, have a good day. Bye-bye.